Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing part right here in my hand. If you guys can see, basically what it is an egg separator. But it has this little part right here, you guys can see, where it can actually hook onto like a bowl. So that way it can actually hold it for you guys and you guys don't have to keep holding it while you guys are cracking the egg on here. So that's actually really cool. And it's actually really flexible, so I can actually hold the bowl pretty well. And actually will help prevent the product itself from moving or slipping around and whatnot. But basically all you guys have to do is just hook this part on here onto like a bowl and whatnot, crack an egg on top, and then you guys will see like the egg yolk on top, and then the egg white will drip on the bottom, if you guys can see right here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works and whether or not it's actually worth it or not is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go do a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product after. Alright, so here we have the egg separator right here, if you guys can see. So we're just going to crack some eggs onto here just to separate it. We don't really need to separate it, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like right now. So let's crack the egg first. Alright, so you just want to crack it right on top, just like that. So you might have to like shake it a little bit so it can go down. But you can see that the egg yolk is on top and the egg white's right there just hanging, just waiting for it to drop down. But you guys can see that the side part right here is holding pretty well, so that grip is working really nicely. If you guys want to shake it a little bit harder like that, just separate it. Alright, so that looks good, you guys can see. So the egg yolk is separated. It wasn't like really easy to kind of separate and whatnot, but you can see that it took some time, but it actually did work. But I really like the grip on the side right here to actually grip it in place, so that way you guys don't have to like keep holding it and whatnot. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, you guys can see it actually does work and it works really well. This is definitely like a super handy tool, especially if you guys are making some kind of like Japanese cheesecake or some kind of cake in general. Basically anything where you guys need to separate like the egg whites and egg yolks. Especially if you guys saw my recent video where I posted about like a Japanese cheesecake, I had to separate it manually by using like the eggshell to like separate the egg yolk and egg white. But now that I have this product, you guys can see from the test itself, it's super handy and super useful. So you guys can actually separate the egg whites and egg yolks much easier, and you guys don't have to struggle like how I did for like the Japanese cheesecake that I made. So this is definitely gonna be super useful for me, especially because we're stuck at home. I have more time to like bake stuff, especially like making Japanese cheesecakes. But the overall product itself feels super nice. It's not like stainless steel or anything. I actually purchased a stainless steel one that should be coming later on. I'm not sure when yet, but I think I prefer getting like a stainless steel one which is more durable and whatnot than a plastic one. Not saying that this is not good or bad or anything, but a stainless steel one tends to like last longer than a plastic material. So that's something to kind of consider if you guys are trying to look for like a stainless steel one or a plastic one. This one's definitely a lot more affordable, but it can actually do its job, which is pretty awesome. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, I have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, be sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.